Winter is a great time to modify and tweak the garden, and for my garden I expanded the growing area a lot. So where I am here there were weeds, the strawberries, they were creeping in. There was a biennial with no use for me, so it was time to take our shovel and start removing this biennial. And after I have reclaimed this land for vegetable growing, it was time to put on our layer of compost over all of the growing beds. And then it was time to tackle our raspberry patch, so I put in concrete slabs yet again to put in a border so they don't creep into the food forest garden small. So, hey, editor Kevin here, a quick interruption. We have our chicken area, we have our vegetable beds, we have our greenhouses, food forest parts and our compost area in the north and the south. And against the border of our raspberry patch I have planted strawberries. Can't wait until it's summer. And for our small food forests, most of the trees do not produce for the moment, only the apple tree over there and one at the chicken area. But we have grapes, we have plums, we have an apple tree, we have a red currant, a black currant, an apple tree, a plum tree, our raspberry patch. We have a blackcurrant, blueberry bushes, mulberry, gooseberry, and also that one, also a gooseberry. So I guess a green one and a red one, and therefore our great opening, our polytunnel. I already can hear the music. this is behind the polytunnel, and this is the north side of our garden, where against the wall the raspberries and the fruit trees because of the north. So in future projects this will all be removed. It's in the south and I want it here in a corner in the north, so I can have an open space in the south where we can do all sorts of projects, seedlings for the garden. But yeah, that's it for this video. The garden is still evolving every year. Winter is a good time to do so. Yeah, future projects of course will be here on the channel. I can't wait until it's summer, till we can harvest tomatoes and melons and all kind of vegetables. For now I will say see you in the next. Peace.